Hey guys, we're back with another nature video. There's a bird here. He can't fly too good. I don't know if it's a baby or what, but here, I'll show you guys. There's actually two of them. I'll show you in a sec. Here's one over here. It's like a robin. Hopefully he doesn't fly onto the fence. Standing right there on the plant cups there. I'm not zoomed in even. I'm literally 2 feet away. So he was trying to get away from me, but then he realized I'm not really trying to eat him. So I don't know if that's a baby, but it doesn't fly too good. Maybe it's like really old. I'll show you the other one. Looks old. I would say it's old, but who knows. Okay, so there's another one over here. I'm working on the shed here. There he is. See him hopping around. Eating bugs or something. Fuck, I can't see anything. The sun. I zoom in maybe. The fuck is he? I see him, but I don't see him on the camera. Zoom in maybe. Fucking sun. I literally cannot see him. The sun's shining in my eye. We go on the other side maybe. There we go. There he is. So I'm zoomed in now. Looks like he's eating bugs. This one looks very healthy. Looks like a roadrunner. They need to like tow all those loud cars away, like impound them. Ridiculous. There's a lady in Toronto. She went to City Hall to fight these loud cars, eh? There's no consequences for these people, man. You think it's fun or something? I don't know. It's noise pollution. Okay, let's go back to the first one. My trees are going out of control here. I just raised this platform so keep it safe in case a squirrel comes or something. Who knows? So let's go back to the first one. There he's still in the same spot. Hey buddy. Scared him away. Oh fuck, he hit the barbecue. See, they like my yard because they can hear my birds. There he is right there. Oh fuck, he fell down again. He's in my shed backyard. There he is. Should be safe in there. Nobody can get to him now. Could be a cat. So yeah, this is all barricaded off for mice, you know. Okay, we're at the 5-minute mark. We've reached our limit of battery life probably. Where's that first one? Oh, there he is. It's quite big. Alright.